Hi, good afternoon. This is the roasted. I did it at 450 salt, pepper, garlic, and a little bit of oil, and got some nice brown to it. There's some pieces here with meat. See the meat? That's pullable. And it's tasty as shit. You know, I was throwing this shit out, and for some reason or another, I said this is doable, and make something with it. So I'm gonna put it in a big stock pot, add some onions, uh, and let it cover it with water, let it simmer a little bit, see what I get out of it, and it's a little tough on the bone. It'll soften up, I guess, as I let it sit. Right, but nice flavor. I guess pull what I can out of the meat, and then use the stock for other things. Right, because all that beautiful uh, cartilage and all that stuff that we can reduce into a stock and make people go wild. You know, I told everybody about your pig's feet, how awesome they were. Boy, I love those. I warmed up like fire after I had those. Yummy pig's feet. People look at me like I'm crazy. I said, no, pig's feet are awesome.